Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Basim, and in today's video we are going to learn what is concat function and how to build an expression for that in the EDMCS application, that is Oracle Enterprise Data Management. Okay, so let's start. So first we move on to our application, that is EDMCS application, and in this application I already defined the applications and the viewpoints. So in this video we are going to use the one custom application and one application from the EPM tool, that is FCCS. So for this I already made one master view. I will show you that. So we have one custom application, that is custom account, and under this we have made one balance sheet hierarchy, and the second application we have FCCS application. And as you know, we have various dimension in the FCCS application. So this is the account dimension. Okay, so similarly in the custom application we have a balance sheet hierarchy in the account dimension of that. And to make the converter, to make the expression on this for our particular case, we have to define the expression in the target application. So I am taking FCCS as a target application and custom as the source application. So whatever accounts or the nodes we just drag and drop, or we just transfer, we want that the account will come from the custom application and go to the FCCS accounts. Okay, so first I will tell you what is concat function in simple words. So concat functions are just like, suppose in my particular case, we have name as a property of maybe of any like customer accounts. Okay, so suppose we have one name, that is ABC, and we have description, another property. Okay, and suppose description says that it is a USA region. Okay, USA region. And suppose I want that we have alias also. So I want in the target that we want to concate name and description. So suppose if we use the function of the concate, we get the output as ABC. And if you want to give any value between the string, we can also give, like if you want to give the dash and we want to use in this way, so we can also do. Okay, so this is the output we will get in our target application when we transfer the metadata. Okay, so this is what concate do. So let's do the practical. So first we have to go to inspect in the target application and define our converters. So in the data chain, in the node type, we have the node type of account, and here we can define the converters. So I already added the custom application under this. So I'll click on it, go to edit, and I want to build the expression in the alias. So under operation column, I will click on this and select transform. And in the source account, I will click on the function icon and build the expression here. So I want to return the value as, so by this you can also select the statements. So it is always selected. So return, I want to select I have to select the source node, that is name, and then I have to use a function that is concat. Okay, so to concatenate this, we have to provide one string value also, or we can choose any other thing also. So for the timing, I'm just using ampersand with a space. Okay, so space, ampersand, and under this another space after that. Okay, and I want the name to concate with the ampersand, and the description, whatever comes in the name and description will come in the alias. So again I will select the source node, and under this I will select the properties, and in properties you will see the code description. Okay, so this is the expression we want to give in this. Let's click apply, click save, and close it. Okay, so the view is modified and it will refresh. Okay, so again I will click on the side by side view. Okay, so as you can see, in the left hand side we have the custom account, and right hand side we have the FCCS accounts. So let's add one note to it and add a member in this. And after we create this, and we will drag and drop to the target application. So first we have to make one new request, and I will make one child to the cache and cache equivalents. So I'll click on this and add child icon. Suppose I want to give it as name as cache02. Okay, and we have to provide one description also. Okay, so description I will give as accounts dash p. Okay, and account type I'm just giving a, because I want to show you one more thing. So okay, that is correct, and click submit. Let's see if we get the data, metadata in this which you created. So yeah, it is present here, and let's move it to the cache and cache equivalent of the FCSS accounts. So I'm just searching the parent node in this. So this is a total balance sheet. Under this we have total assets, and under total assets we have current assets and cache equivalent. So I will just add a child to it, cache and cache equivalent. Okay, so again I will click on new request and just drag this account to this. Okay, so under cache and cache equivalent, you can see we got the cache02, and let's see what the output we expected. So we wanted that whatever comes in the name, okay, this is the name, and in description will get concat with the ampersand, and we get the output in the alias. So yes, we getting the same output as we desired. So in the name we can see we get the cache02, and description we had accounts ERP, and it is concatenating concat with the ampersand and coming in the alias. So yeah, this was the, and one more thing, we are getting a error of that value a is not allowed, because we have some validation rule and all the things. The allowed value is just the expense, revenue, asset, equity, and saved assumption for the FCC application. So that is why I given a in this source of custom application, and now we will change it. So our error will get will get eliminated. Okay, so I will select assets because it is the asset account. So as soon as we just click on the assets, the error is gone, and now we can submit it. Okay, so our account is now submitted, our request has been submitted. So let's see. Yeah, it is here, and we are getting the correct alias for which the expression has been made. So this was the case for the concat function, and thank you for watching this video. More function videos will come in future, so stay connected. Thank you.